Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and if you are not familiar with me, I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. But today I will be showing you guys how I created my YouTube channel art. I've gotten a couple compliments on it, and it's so simple and easy, so I wanted to share with you guys step by step what I do. So here we go. So I start off by going into Pinterest and I search silk aesthetic, but whatever aesthetic you're looking for, just type in blank aesthetic and it'll pop up the best pictures for that topic. And I go through and find one that I like. Once I do that, I go up to the top and click on the three dots and hit download image. And that should go straight to your downloads on your laptop, and then we go right back into Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it is a website where you can create all different types of designs and they have the templates ready to go. It's absolutely free. There is a pro version of this which has a couple more things that you can do. I do have the pro, but everything that I'm going to show you today will be for free. So we're going to go up to create design. From there we're going to type in YouTube channel art and it should pop up right away. And YouTube is pretty strict with their measurements. So what I like to do to avoid being frustrated with that is go into Google and type in YouTube channel art template. And I usually just click on the first template that pops up. Then I go ahead and right click that and I save it to my downloads. Once I have that saved, I go right back into Canva and I press upload media. Hit device and I go ahead and find that template that I just saved. Once I finish that, it is going to upload to Canva for me and I will then click on it and set it as the background. The next thing you want to do is upload an image. So I already have an image uploaded, but if you don't, you go up to upload media and go through the same exact process I went through to get this template onto Canva, and you should be able to grab that image and place it right over the top of this template. Nowadays there are a lot of people watching their YouTube videos on TV, so if you want to cover this entire image you can, but I like to start off by covering the desktop max just because I want to make sure that my text is going to fit in the right area to where no matter what device the person visits my channel on, they can see everything that I added to my banner, because I think that is the most important thing. Next, what I like to do is drag it down so that I can see exactly where I need to place my text. Now it's time for the fun part, so we're gonna go over to text, then we're gonna hit add a heading and we drag it right over that background. Once I do that, I usually change the color so that I can see it better, and luckily I want this to be black, so it didn't take much time for me to find a color. You kind of have to go through and figure out what color you like the best depending on your style, whatever it may be. So now I'm just writing my name down, and I like to have spaces between my names, so I usually put one space between every letter, and for separate words I put 2 spaces. So right after I finished typing Cassidy, then we're going to put 2 spaces after the Y. I forgot to, so I'm going back and doing that. Now we're making sure it's aligned perfectly. Then we're going to go through and look through all the different fonts. After I spend like 5 minutes going through all the fonts trying to find the perfect one, I usually go with my favorite one, which is the Calgary. And right now all I'm doing is just fixing it so that it'll fit perfectly in the safe area. Now I'm just adding another body of text, and this is where I describe what my channel is about. So my channel is about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. You guys can get as creative as you want here. I just like to keep it simple. So whatever you want to do, if it's your @ handle, whatever, you can add that here. Next thing you want to do is just drag that text wherever you see fit. I usually like dragging it over to the right bottom corner of my text. The next thing I like to do is change the font, and usually I make it cursive. I don't have a particular cursive font that I go with. I just sort of look through and find the best one that fits the plain text. So I decided to go with Parisian, and now I am getting ready to move everything back over the top of that logo, and it's super easy because the pink lines are just guiding me to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned. Now I'm going into effects because although I love this font as is, sometimes it is too thin and I want to make sure that it is clear as day. Usually I go with lift and I turn it up pretty high. So for my name, I'm turning it up to 100, and for my subheading, I'm going to change that to about 87. Now, if there's nothing else you would like to add, you are completely done. So we're going to hit download. Then we go back to YouTube. Once you get to your channel, you're going to click customize channel, and then you click branding and go down to banner image and hit change. Then you go over to your downloads tab, press open, and there you have it. It fits perfectly into the measurements and you are all done. You want to hit the button done, and after that you press publish. Super simple, super cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it was very easy, so I hope I helped someone out. Like this video if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel for more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Love you guys. Bye.